Josh. Y'all seen him in the last video. And yeah, heading over there right now. And hopefully this will probably help my third gear. It might not. It most likely won't, but just hope it does. Because my third gear, it's just the transmission or the clutch. I don't know. Probably if I do a little flush, it might help it, but we'll see. But yeah, see you when you get there. Dude following me. I don't know if y'all can see him. What's going on?
What's up?
Are we gonna do it right here in the middle?
Yeah, that's
Okay. Oh. Man, your house is nice. Are they still gonna paint this? Or is that what you gotta do?
I got it. I mean, it looks good.
Yeah. Yeah, we could knock that out in a day.
Yeah. Want to do epoxy more maybe orange, silver,
Yeah.
black or something.
Hell yeah. This guy was following me in a little bike.
Oh, that guy?
Yeah. So where'd this one come from?
So you know that little, what is it called? The little arm that's on it? It's connected to this, and then it goes and connects to the
Oh yeah.
other part. You cannot find that anywhere, so don't break it. But
Is that what you broke yours?
yeah, I broke mine. He was like, just take the whole shifter. I was like, all right, cool. I took it.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
So is this is a 5.0?
Yeah.
Damn, dude.
Yeah, when I met her, I still wish I still had the old one because I was perfect. Because it was 23, it was all black now.
Yeah, this shit's clean, bro. Alright, we're gonna start getting it installed, and yeah, that's the Mustang from the last video I've seen. Yeah, once we get started, we'll let you know. I guess this thing's been on here for a while. Where did this come from? Probably came from my shop. I mean, you just need to do one. We don't have to do both sides,
Just one side?
right? Or you want to do both?
It'll be easier.
Okay. Damn, that some bitch is bald. You could probably just do it from the middle and just jack it up so you got a low profile. Yeah. But since you've already... Dude. Holy shit.
I heard that it popping a little bit. Let me show you.
Fuck am I leaking? I'm leaking some type of water. That should be good.
Alright.
I'm leaking some type of little water on there.
Probably from your AC.
Yeah.
I need to look.
This is probably the best I've looked under it. I can't, my jack don't go that high. Well, I never jacked it that high before.
Yeah. Oh, it used to be red?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. Flaking like a motherfucker. You know that dude with the other 3 valve?
Yeah.
The convertible? He has a different, he bought him a new bumper.
Yeah.
And the other one, he's probably gonna give to me, and I might be able to fix it up a little bit.
That'd be good.
Use that for support.
Yep.
Shit's so clean. His interior's mint compared to mine. Almost there. There it goes.
Oh, that's why. You able to come up?
Maybe. Probably not.
I actually have an idea. Ouch. Seen them do it without.
Hold on. Can you twist it a little bit so I can get this? There it goes.
I got it now.
Hell yeah. Nice. Alright, so this is the stock one. Got a lot of play in it. Hurst one, not as much. Pain to get out, wasn't it? Fucking dirty hands. Hopefully the install will be a lot easier. But yeah, I can't wait to get this thing in. Shoot. Alright, yeah. Almost there. I need to get a new shift boot or just get a black bag to do the same thing I did to this. Yeah, looking Gucci. This one is shot, dude. Alright, boys, got the Hurst in. Feels pretty good. We had to use one of the shifters he had. But I mean, it's like, it's night and day difference. Way better. But yeah, I think we might get some clips of me doing a couple flybys or whatnot. But yeah, but shout out to Josh, because this is big time. This has helped me out a lot, you know what I mean? But yeah, see, we are going to the gas station now, so see you there. Got a little Mustang crew going to the gas station. His is clean, dude. And it sounds way better than mine. He has boilers on it. I have to get rid of my Flowmaster soon because it just sounds way too clapped out, you know? Like, especially at a certain like mile per hour. It just sounds bad. Yeah, I'm in love with this shifter. It's so much nicer, and it's like, at first it didn't even feel like it was going in gear. It's so short, it's like it's nice as fuck.
Bitch, yeah. I don't read how the fuck I keep getting booked. Car white, but it say black when you getting cooked. I swear to God, any artist.
Alright, so we're about to do some little wide open pulls right here. Just wow, you know what I mean? So he's about to hop on interstate, and then I'm about to do the same after I record him with the two Mustangs out. But yeah, I think this would be a good little shot. See, comment down below which one sounds better out of the two or three. Mostly the 3 valves. But yeah, wide open throttle, boy. So we'll see. But yeah. I wish mine sounded like that. Mine sounds so clapped. It's unbelievable. Yeah. Just turn around off the exit and do it again. Sound good. Yeah, Just stay in it. Fuck yeah, dude. Sounds good. He did his, let's see, like 2 flybys, but the first one wasn't that good because he didn't know where I was at. And then he's heading back here and he's gonna record for me and I'm gonna do mine. See what it's like. His sounds pretty damn good. I wish mine, like I said, I keep saying it, but his sounds way better than mine does. So that's why I need to get Borla for sure. So yeah. Alright guys, that'll be it for today's video. About to head out. Like I said, appreciate Josh for letting me get that short throw shifter. But with that being said, like and subscribe. Comment below what you think and see you later.